Hey, what's going on? Andre Miller here, back with another great video for you. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can earn money testing apps, some fast cash, fast money. So welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Andre. And in this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can create a life of freedom, and you can also go out there and you could crush it as well. So this is my YouTube channel. Feel free to just scroll through here. There's tons of videos in here that you can find. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can earn money testing apps, some fast money. So if it's your first time here, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, happy to have you here. And thank you so much for watching my videos over and over again. So in this video, what I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to be talking about a method that doesn't require any money whatsoever. It's free to sign up. And I'm going to show you the payment method of choice that they're using currently. This is also worldwide. So if you're worldwide, I got you. I'm going to make sure that you can go out there and you could do this as well. And the good thing is you could do this whenever you want, when you want. So you set your own schedule. There is not a set time for this. And this is going to be some money that you could do on the side as well. This is not going to get you super duper rich, but it's another way how you can make money while you go out throughout the day. So if I were you, if I don't have like a, let's say a program that's bringing me consistent income like the one that I'm currently using. So check out the link in the description if you want to make consistent income over and over again, where you can make passive income on a consistent basis, $200-300 coming in. But for the people that are doing these side gigs, side jobs, side hustle, whatever you want to call it, and you want to make a little bit of money, I would advise you to sign up for 4 or 5 of them, set a schedule, set a calendar, and then you just go through it daily, and then you could make a good amount of money at the end of each month. So with this one, earn money, testing apps, fast money. So the website that I'm going to share with you is a website that is called, it's testerwork.com. So testerwork.com is a great website. You earn money testing apps, just like what I said. So you could join a community of over 20,000 testers all over the globe. And I'm going to share with you some of the things of what you need to do to get set up. So this website is backed by Evernote, there's Facebook, there's Microsoft, Kano, and Spotify. So how it works, you sign up, you test cool apps, you make money, and you work on your own schedule. So if you got an iPhone, you got an Android, this is going to be for you. So how it works, you just sign up, you create a profile, test apps or websites, and you get paid. So you report bugs or complete a test cases, and you'll earn money. So why should you test with us? So we're looking for passionate QA testers who expert in mobile and the web as well. So you earn money. So right here, as you can see, earn money for bugs you report. So they're going to send you by invitation via email. Some of these tests, they go over like a 3-day span. You know, maybe you do an hour today, an hour tomorrow, an hour the next day. It could be even longer because they want you to test. And most times it's repetitive. Like try this again, try this again, try this again. So test when you want on any project, and exclusive access to Testathon. That's pretty cool. It's around the world. And you could see what people are saying about this. It is great. I also do some research as well. And we're going to jump over to the FAQ, which is the frequently asked questions, to see what people are asking. So registration and onboarding. How can I join Tester Worker? So you click on here. You have the register for email, and you could click on the form right here, or you could click on the sign up button. So what does onboard testing progress look like? Here it shows you exactly the registration, the online assessment advice before you start answering questions. You'll be presented with the Notions page. So they're going to give you some information of how it works. How long does it take? In less than 15 minutes. So you see that, less than 15 minutes to get set up, you sign up. So you can sign up in 15 minutes. What happens if you fail the assessment? I'm sure you probably will have to take another one again. We'll give you another chance to complete a follow-up assessment. Well, there you go. And yeah, just come through here. Can I update my profile? Yes, you can. Testing on projects, what time zone? So the time zone, we always use GMT +2. That's a time zone. However, you could set it up whatever time that you want to set. So do you have to work always on UK time? So they work in UK time zone. So if you're here over in the US, that means 5 p.m. Eastern time will be around 10 p.m. Eastern time. So as they say, not at all, you could fix whatever time. And usually within 48 hours, the actual time of testing do not matter. So the payment option, of course, you want to, how you get paid, they do it via PayPal and Upwork contract. So if you know what Upwork is like a freelance website that you can go on there and you can sign up for lots of freelancing jobs, and they also do the Upwork. So as you can see, it's highly recommended by Upwork. They're on Upwork as well, and payment PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you just come over to PayPal. Just go to paypal.com, and then you click on where it says sign up today. Once you click on the sign up button, it's going to ask a few questions like your location, your country, all that type of stuff. So you can click on login, or you could click right here. You put your first name, you put your last name, you enter your email address, you create a password. Once you create a password, then boom, you click continue, and then you can get more information. And then you just sign up for a free PayPal account. So that's a payment of choice that you're using. And I know some PayPal doesn't work in some people's country. I highly recommend using ExpressVPN. So ExpressVPN, so hide your VPN and sign up for it, and just see if you could do that method as well. Maybe you could send a check from your PayPal to your own country. It all depends. There's always ways around it. If you have some other people or friends or family member in another country, if you trust them, you can do that. If you don't trust them, don't do it. You know, someone who's loyal, who's not going to take your money and run away, of course you could do that other option. But I know that people do that as well. So yeah, sign up for PayPal. So how much will I get paid? You get paid every time they send you invitation by email. So you fix bugs, you fix the amount that they send you. Once you execute those gigs, you could get paid. If you don't have a PayPal account, as they highly recommend, you make sure you sign up for one, and you can earn money just by testing apps and earn fast money just by doing this. So I went and I checked out some of the reviews, and people are making here, you know, low $2, minimum issues 4, high issue 6, critical issue 8. And it doesn't come in order. You can make money, and they send you tests all the time. So you report bugs, you test the different apps, you test different websites, and then you could just sign up and you could just get started. You get started right away. If you got any information, you can always contact them at testtowork.com if you have any questions. So the sign up area, you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you put your email, you put your password confirmation, you sign up, and you should be up and running in no time. So they'll send you bugs for you to test, and you can earn money testing apps and fast money, fast cash. And that's how it works. So if you enjoy that video, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know what you think about that video in the comment section. And if I can create more videos like this for you, let me know in the comments as well. I'll pump out some more videos so that way you can find different ways how you can earn money. Because guess what? A lot of people, some may like this, some people may like different things. So that's why I create multiple videos so you can go out there and you could crush it. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description. My name is Andre. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.